Hi everyone, welcome to our computer and internet tutorial where we will be showing you how to create an account on Beanstack and how to log your reading on Beanstack. Beanstack is what we're going to be using during our summer reading program. So if you want to participate, then you will need to get signed up on Beanstack, and so we're going to show you how to do that. We're super excited about our summer reading program this year. Our theme is Tales and Tells, so we'll be focusing on animals. All of our crafts, our events, entertainers, and story times are going to be centered around that. So we're just really excited because it starts up in just a few days. Today we're going to show you how to sign up on Beanstack, whether it is for yourself or whether you're an adult just wanting to sign up your child. We're going to show you how to do that, and also how to log back into Beanstack so that you can log your reading as you progress. So you will want to start off here at balchspringslibrary.org, which is the Balch Springs Library website. And on the home page, you kind of have three spots you can click to get to our summer reading program page. So in this area of scrolling images, we do have a slide that points to the summer reading program, which is here. So if you see that, feel free to click on it. It'll take you to our summer reading program page. And then of course we have this big, nice giant button here that if you click on it will take you to our summer reading program page. And on the left hand side on this menu, we have our summer reading program button here, and they all three take you to the same place. I'm going to click on this big, bright, shiny one here. And this is the summer reading program page on our website. This is a really nice, cute video with our children's librarian, Miss Stacy, who gives a nice introduction to this year's summer reading program. There's some info here on how our summer reading program works. Today we are focusing on Beanstack because that is what you are going to use to log your reading. And if you scroll down just a bit, shows you three ways to sign up on Beanstack. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up just through your web browser, but you can also download the Beanstack app for your iPhone or for Android. You can log your reading hours through your phone as well. So if you come to our page, you can just snap a pic of these QR codes and they'll take you to the Beanstack app where you can download that to your device. Today I am showing you how to sign up on your web browser. If you just click here on the second way to sign up, it will actually take you to Beanstack. So I'm going to click on that. You could also scan that QR code, which takes you to Beanstack. So on our Beanstack page, which is balchspringslibrary.beanstack.org, this is the page, this is the site where you will be logging your reading hours. So if you scroll on down, you have the option to create an account. Once you create an account, then you would just click sign in here and sign in with your username and password so that you can log your hours. So today we don't have an account, so we're going to go ahead and register and create an account. So I'm going to click here on register an individual or family. Now, if you are signing yourself up as an adult or an older sibling, and you are also signing up your child or your younger sibling, then you would just click start here by registering yourself, and then later on you will be prompted to sign up somebody else as well. So if you are signing up for the summer reading program yourself, and you are signing up someone younger than you, your child or younger sibling, start here, register yourself first. If you are just signing up your child or younger sibling, then you would start by registering them, and you could click on this button. I would like to register myself because I would like to participate. There's some fun prizes that I get each week, and I would love my name to be thrown in for that grand prize at the end of the summer, so I'm going to also register myself as an adult. You would fill out all of this information, click it, find a username. It could be, your own name. Make sure to fill out this contact information, email, phone number, so that if you do end up the winner of the grand prize at the end of the program, we have a way of reaching you. You'll want a password that you can remember, write it down somewhere, because you will use that whenever you come back to the website to log your reading hours. And then for this, how old are you? We have 4 categories, which means different reading goals and different grand prizes, 4 different grand prizes at the end. So for ages 0 through 4, those are going to be mainly activity-based goals for the summer. And then for ages 5 through 11, you will need to read 15 hours. And then for ages 12 through 16, you'll also be reading for 15 hours. And then for 17 or older, your goal is going to be to read 5 books that are at least 100 pages long. So you'll want to fill out this how old are you section just to make sure that you get categorized properly, and you'll be eligible to win the grand prize at the end, that is appropriate for your age. And then this will fill out this information as well. Obviously, if you're a child, just let us know which school that you're at, and obviously if you're an adult, this may not apply to you, so you can skip all of that. And then down here, there is a way. I'll show you how to look up book recommendations or view the book recommendations that they give you. But if you would like an email sent to you for book recommendations based on the things that you like to read and the things that you've already logged, Beanstack will send you recommendations for your next read. You can have that emailed to you, but you can also skip that, and I'll show you how to see those recommendations if you're choosing not to have that email sent to you. So once you are all of this information is set up, you would just click next, and you would be prompted to sign up somebody else after you fill out your own information, and then you would just go through this again for the next person that you're signing up. So I already have a Beanstack account. I'm super excited to participate, so I'm going to actually go ahead and sign into my account, and I'm just going to I'm going to exit this, and I'm going to go back to our website just so you can see what you would need to do whenever you are returning after creating your account to log your hours. So I don't have it on here yet because the summer reading program hasn't started, but I will put a big old button on this page that will take you right back to Beanstack to log your reading hours. So go ahead and keep an eye out for that on our summer reading program page on the Balch Springs Library website. But you can always just head straight back over to balchspringslibrary.beanstack.org on your web browser, or if you have your phone and you've downloaded the app, you can always open the app on your phone. So once you have your account created and you want to start logging your hours, you would click sign in and sign in with the username that you've picked. I just picked my first initial last name, thought that'd be easier, and the password that you signed up with. So fill that info out, sign in, and then this will be your, this will basically be your dashboard, your reading log dashboard. So I am participating in the Tales and Tales 2021 Summer Reading Program, or Beanstack calls it Challenges. If you're signing up with multiple libraries for multiple summer reading programs, then you would have a few challenges here. But ours is going to be, is going to look like this. It's going to be here. So I'll first show you how to log your hours. You just click here on your log reading and activities. And for children, they are needing to read 15 hours. So they would click on log minutes and log the amount of time that they read. For adults, You need to read 5 books that are at least 100 pages long, so you would click on log your books. So let's take a look at each of those. So after clicking on log minutes, then you would just scroll down here. You can type in the amount of time that you spent reading, and then you can also fill out this optional information. You can log the book that you read, the author, and you can also review the book. Let's click on, you do not have to review the book. If you just want to log the hours, then feel free to just do that. You don't even have to fill out the title of the author. You just want to write in the time that you spent reading, then feel free to do that. If you notice too, for hours, it just has an H. So for example, if you are logging just 1 hour, it's just 1H. If you are logging minutes, then it's just M. So in this example, 33 minutes were logged, so it's just 33M, or 1H 33M for 1 hour and 33 minutes. Yep, so for the review, I'm just going to click on yes. If that's something that you want to do, include a review. Let's say that I read for 20 minutes, and obviously if I'm going to write a review, then I need a title here. So let's do green eggs and ham. Dr. Seuss. Oh, yeah, and ham. Dr. Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham. As you type the title, then yeah, you'll have a little menu here that kind of helps you pick the book if it's in the database of Balch Springs, or not Balch Springs, of Beanstack. If it's not, then just continue to write and fill out the author. You don't have to select one of the books that pops up there. If it's not the book that you read, do not feel pressure to select one of those. You can just keep typing and ignore that. But if it is, then that makes it really convenient. If you'd like to include a review, you would click yes here. Again, you don't have to include a review. I'm going to click log. And then here on this page, since I said yes, I would like to include a review, then in this little box here, you can write your review. I loved the book. I loved the book. And you can make it as long or as short as you want to. Save it. Cool. And then here we are. For each little activity that you do in Beanstack, you will get like little badges. So those will generally pop up, let you know that you earned whatever badge. I've earned now the Junior Journalist badge for writing my first review. So that's fun. I'm going to exit that, and I'm done. So I'm going to go back to my profile. I have a thing kind of covering that. I gotta make it a little smaller so I see where I am. So you can click on this little X right here to get out of your log. So I was in the middle of logging. I'm just gonna hit this X, and it takes me back to my home page. Make that big again. The recording software that I'm using here kind of covers up some of these menu options up here. So that is going to be how you log minutes. Let me hit that X again. And then if you are logging whole books, if you're in the teen or adult category, click on that log reading and activities, and you would click on log whole books. So you can log your book, and then you would type in the title of the book. Let's see. And then this is a really good book. I always recommend this one, Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond. And then you can include a review if you want to do that. For this time, I'm going to say no. I just want to log what I've read. Log it. Cool. And I'm done. So now I can close it. Awesome. So, and it takes you back to your home page once you close that, or your dashboard. And I'll just show you a few other fun little things here. So if you have friends and you want to, you kind of want to keep track with each other, see where each other are, then you can add your friends. You would click on this button here, and then you would enter the friend code. And after you enter your friend's code, then you would click add friend. And let me show you how to find your friend code. So on this little button here that says add friends, then you would click on share your friend code, and then this is my friend code. So if you have friends that you guys would like to be friends and keep track with each other, see who's getting ahead on their reading, then you would share your friend code. So this is my friend code, and if anybody wanted to add me, they would click on add friends, and they would enter that code here, and you can always share that with each other. Again, keep tabs on each other, see how each other are doing throughout the program. And then here's your reviews. I wrote my review for green eggs and ham, so you can always go back and look at your review. You can edit it if you want to add or take away from it. These are all the badges that I've earned. Just for registering, I get this badge. I get to be a whale, a registration whale. And then here's my reading log. So on the 21st, here's my book that I read, Green, Yellow, Don't Meet Blue. I can go back to my log to see, excuse me, see all the books that I've read. And then also my reading time. So if you need to go back and see where you are in your reading progress, then you can click here on reading log, and it will show you where you are in the program. All right, and then for recommendations, again, whenever I signed up for it, you can choose to have these recommendations emailed to you. If you opt out of those recommendations, then you can always click here on recommendations and see the books that they are recommending that you read. So you can click on it and take a look at some of the titles that they are recommending here. Cool. So yeah, really hope that you guys sign up and take advantage of the weekly prizes that we're doing, and then yeah, get your name entered to win that grand prize at the end. We are going to be having activities. Like I said, we have some entertainers and some story times, and then crafts as well. And craft kits will be available at the library, both the kids crafts and the teen time crafts. Those kits will be available at the library for you to pick up and participate in the craft tutorials or the craft making. So please give us a call if you want to reserve those for pickup, or you can always just drop by the circulation desk and pick those up. So that is it for showing you how to sign up and use Beanstack to log your reading hours. Yeah, please sign up. We're just super thrilled and excited to share tales and tales with everybody. All right, well, good luck on the grand prize, and have fun reading this summer.